Steve Jobs, founder and CEO of Apple. Unknown facts about Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was an American entrepreneur and businessman who co-founded Apple Inc. and played a key role in revolutionizing the personal computer industry. He was born on February 24, 1955, in San Francisco, California, and died on October 5, 2011, in Palo Alto, California, at the age of 56, after battling pancreatic cancer for 8 years. Jobs is widely regarded as a pioneer of the personal computer industry and is credited with co-founding Apple Inc. with Steve Wozniak in 1976. Under his leadership, Apple developed a number of innovative products that revolutionized the computer, music, and phone industries. Here are some of Jobs' most notable innovations. After dropping out of college in his first semester, Jobs explored his spiritual side while traveling in India. Jobs began to move mountains at age 21 when he and Wozniak started Apple Computers in the Jobs family garage. To fund their venture, Jobs sold his Volkswagen bus and Wozniak sold his scientific calculator. This ended up being a good investment. Prior to Apple's rise, computers were physically massive, expensive and not accessible by the everyday person. With Jobs heading up marketing and Wozniak in charge of technical development, Apple sold consumer-friendly machines that were smaller and cheaper, at only $666.66 each. The Apple II was more successful than the first model, and sales increased by 700%. On its first day of being a publicly traded company in 1980, Apple Computer had an estimated market value of $1.2 billion. In 1984, Apple released the Macintosh computer, which was the first commercially successful personal computer to feature a graphical user interface and a mouse. This innovation made computers more user-friendly and accessible to the general public. In 1986, Jobs purchased the computer graphics division of Lucasfilm and turned it into Pixar Animation Studios. Under Jobs' leadership, Pixar went on to produce a series of highly successful animated films, including Toy Story, Finding Nemo, and The Incredible. In 2001, Apple released the iPod, a portable media player that revolutionized the music industry by allowing people to store thousands of songs on a small device. The iPod paved the way for the digital music revolution and led to the creation of the iTunes Store. In 2007, Apple released the iPhone, a revolutionary smartphone that combined the functionality of a phone, computer, camera, and media player in a single device. The iPhone's multi-touch interface and App Store made it a game-changer in the mobile industry. In 2010, Apple released the iPad, a tablet computer that became the best-selling tablet of all time. The iPad's large, high-resolution screen and intuitive interface made it popular with both consumers and professionals. Jobs' innovation led to the creation of products that save trees and help the environment. In situations where someone would typically use paper, such as in a presentation or a script reading, technology on devices like the iPad replaced it. The iPhone and iPad, groundbreaking products that ushered in a new generation of smart mobile technologies, ensure paperless is more and more the status quo. Jobs emphasized the importance of teamwork to his employees. Though he made the final decision on product designs, he knew the right people are a company's greatest asset. "That's how I see business," he said in 2003, in a 60 Minutes interview. "Great things in business are never done by one person, they're done by a team of people." Jobs was known for his emphasis on design and innovation, and his ability to create products that were both functional and aesthetically pleasing. His impact on the technology industry continues to be felt today, and he is remembered as one of the most influential entrepreneurs of the modern era. Thanks for watching. Video by Rizwan Bashir.